Okay, so welcome back to Random Fixes and Restorations, and today, this video I'm going to show you how I'm going to, rebuild and clean this about 1 decade old mixer. Yeah, basically main problem is it doesn't run that good as it used to be. It got quite dirty, like overall, but the worst thing, like the inside, it starts to smell really bad. So what I at first thought, I was like, let me guess, same as like most, like even like with the fans and stuff or other things which I've done, or the space heater, basically it got dirty, it isn't really lubricated anymore, and yeah, what are we going to do? Take it apart, clean it, lube it up again, then it's going to be pretty much as good as new again. So let's do it. First, you need a set of triangle screwdrivers. I'm not sure which one it was exactly, but I'm going to leave you my Amazon Associates links down in the description below, where you also can find this and also a couple other things which you need to, if you do like a mixer like this or a similar one. And yeah, of course, if you buy something through my links, I'll get a small cut, and I really appreciate that. So back to it. Also important, please guys, don't do something without the right tools. Like I've seen, like soon there will be also a video of me rebuilding a Xbox 360 controller, and I can tell you one thing, I've done that once before, and the videos back there which I've seen, those people even like try to skip out on those screwdrivers, and I was like, oh god. Basically they started to destroy like the whole thing for like a really inexpensive screwdriver, a really cheap set which included like everything. So this one isn't the right one. I actually tested it out once. Bruh. Okay, there goes one of the screwdrivers. Maybe there's some dirt in it. Oh yeah, okay, this one is it. Maybe not. Yeah, there it is. One thing is good though, they're magnetic, so and here we go. Oh yeah, before I put those back, I'm going to need to clean them a bit. So let's see. Actually I can actually take it out without the, ooh, that's nasty. Oh yeah, you see, kind of thought so. Like, oh man, it's electronic dust. Don't breathe that. Yes. Yeah. See? It's not lubricated at all. Okay. Problem already found and basically solved. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. I actually feel how tight that is. Man, it's really tight. Nah, that's not good. Yeah, that makes perfectly sense why it's. But also interesting way of an engine build, and also so those are bushings? Oh, that's interesting. Fun fact, I never took a mixer apart in my life. I took apart a shaker and fixed it like about 2 years or so ago. Ah yeah, okay, this is also slightly lubed, slightly greased up, but yeah, seems like the grease still holds up. Maybe going to add a little bit more. From the quality and build, it's pretty solid. It's simple, but it's pretty solid. Like, oh okay, leave that one out. Not sure. I should maybe put some insulation tape or something around it, so it won't fall out. Yeah, I guess I should do that. So using some tape because I don't want to mess with the rest of the mechanism around because it's still in good shape. And I want to keep it all like in position when I'm turning that thing around. I guess I'll leave that on the side for now and clean the vents. Use a piece of cloth from before. Melts away. Yeah, also what I could do is like wash that. Actually, speaking of which, I guess I'm going to wash those things out quickly. It's better, it's easier, and yeah, afterwards I'm going to dry it because now it's nice and soaked. Good, just washed them. Now I'm going to leave them to dry. Maybe add a little bit more, just a little bit, but it's actually still well greased. Actually surprising. I used some pretty good stuff on there. But yeah, like this part here, the engine itself. This has a lot of stuff got rubbed off on this thing. Better I clean it quickly and. Okay, stay. Cotton piece. Spraying some contact spray on. And just yeah, it's quite clean, that's good. I guess that'll do that trick. Yep, I guess a little bit grease over there, and then I should clean the other parts, put it back together. I guess I should do it like, it's not like a huge full rebuild, it's just like a little, let's say, maintenance process right here. I'm going to use a syringe with grease. I guess I'm going to put just a little bit onto this here. Just put a little bit into the things here and let it work in. Oh yeah, feels like it's working already a bit better. That's good. In my opinion, looks pretty good. So, time to put that stuff away, and well, using some compress there. Yeah, as dry as possible, I'd say. Like, yeah, on a quick run, still a bit wet. Nah, I'm going to leave them aside. On this part. This is a little bit annoying with securing stuff. This to take out these switches. contact spray. Yep, looks already a bit snappier. It's good. Well, I guess I'm going to wipe like most of that stuff off. Yep, it's dry. Good. It's pretty. Oh, almost forgot the screws. Not to put them in, but to clean them a bit. So, oh god, just stand there. Yeah, this one is, as an example, this one is good, but yeah, he's like a little bit plastic. So, let's clean it a little bit. Yeah, I guess this one is good to go. Bruh. Ah, there goes my contact spray again, off the table. This one here is a little bit damaged, I guess. Or it's a bit dirty. I guess it's good. Good enough at least. Are those things actually same length or not? Ah, okay, they're same length. Good. So, time for the assembly, and then we're going to test it. But yep, so far so good. Looks beautiful, and I actually remember when we bought it like about a decade ago. Like, you actually see there's a little bit. Yeah, I could polish it out like for half an hour more. So, but hey, who cares? It's a decade-old mixer, and now it looks basically brand new. Actually, I see here a couple things which is a little bit, but good. Let's test it. Almost forgot to close the window because it's already late. Put some in. Okay. Damn it. It smells like like something like engine oil. And then like smells like a race car. Awesome. Yeah. But yeah, there you go. Seems like I even upgraded it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's give it a last overlook. looks nice. Pretty nice, works great, and yeah. That's pretty much it, and yeah. Anyways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time on Random Fixes and Restorations.